Hello, AP Physics 1. Here is your tour of our new Schoology page. At the top of the page, you'll see an orange folder for weekly calendars. Inside of that folder is the calendar for the week. So you click on this and it goes to the Google slide, which has the calendar. Backing up now, you'll see a link for our Google Meet office hour. This link updates each new office hour, and so you can't just bookmark it, but this is what you'll click to have a little video conference with me and with whatever other students may be in that office hour as well. I've decided that it may be best for when we're working on individual problems for us to have a forum on Schoology that we can use to ask each other questions and to answer each other's questions. This will be a forum for your individual section of the class, not for all of AP Physics 1, but you can respond to each other's questions and I can go in and respond to questions as well. So this helps a little bit with asynchronous learning in case we can't meet up at the exact same time. You can post a question when you're working on stuff, and then when I'm available or when another student's available, they can come in and answer the question. I will ask that you don't just say this is the answer if you are answering someone else's question, but instead give them some hints and some suggestions for moving forward. That way, everyone is learning how to do things rather than just getting the right answer. I'll click here real quick to give you a tour. This has that summary. And then down below, I've already given some examples where you have some questions, and then I replied to the question myself, answering it. But when you're doing it, someone will ask a question, and someone else will answer it. Or if you later figure out the answer to your own question, you can go back and write the answer to help out someone else who may be stuck in the same point. Going back now. That's the question forum. I'll put a weekly discussion topic up as well. This is the one I want you to definitely respond to this week. It's just so that I know you know how to use Schoology. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the question here is a hot dog a taco? Respond with your answer and with some justification for your answer. You'll see one of these three links depending on which section of AP Physics you're in, which is where you register for Edpuzzle, and you can then use that link to go to Edpuzzle every time. These two go together. This is the page telling you what to input when you register for Positive Physics, and this is the actual link to the website Positive Physics. I'll click on the registration info real quick. What you're going to want to do is use a username that is your last name followed by your first initial. So John Smith would be Smith J. This helps me a lot when looking at the online gradebook in Positive Physics because then everyone will be in alphabetical order by last name. Section, you should put your hour for AP Physics 1, which is either a 2, a 4, or a 7. For level, you should put level 3. Level 3 is their AP level. 1 and 2 are more regular high school level physics. And then class code, just Miliano, 2 L's, all one word, lowercase. Let's see, what else is here? Link to WebAssign, like I said. This is everything that we did before moving to e-learning. Here's our typical class resources folder that has, the AP Physics equation sheet and some other things. This link I want to talk about as well. Every Wednesday, College Board is going to be doing a weekly review of some of the content on the AP test. This is designed to help you get ready for the AP test. They're doing it specifically because of the fact that everyone's moving to e-learning. So if I click on that link, let's see, it can't connect, so you have to click again. And now you can't see this because I'm only recording one tab of my Chrome sheet, but you'll scroll down. And what I'm seeing right now is when I get to sciences, I'm seeing AP Physics 1. Their time for the online learning is Wednesdays at 12 to 12:45 Eastern time. So that's 11 to 11:45 our time. And then Physics 2 is 5 to 5:45 Eastern, 4 to 4:45 our time. So I recommend checking out those weekly review sessions. I will not require it, but if you're looking to review content between now and when you take the AP test, I think is a great way to do it. So I'd check that website out too. All right, I think that concludes our tour of Schoology. Please let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later.